Hello everybody, Wolfare here, but you can just call me Wolfie. And we are back with another tutorial video, and in this video I will be teaching you how to add emotes to your avatar. Now, it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to clearly need your GoGo logo. You want to make sure that your model is set here up in front. I actually have one sitting right here that I've been working on for a good while. But yeah, you want to make sure that your model is up in front. And you want to make sure that you have GoGo Loco installed, the latest version, of course. And you're going to see all these menus here from base, additive, gesture, action, effects. You want to make sure that you go to your actions menu. Now, for context, I have mine's named to this, but so forth and so on. If you don't know how to get to the actions menu, or if you don't have it, I'll show you. Here's one way to get to it. You click this right over here, and then you type in actions, and then from one of the GoGo logo actions, it's going to tell you, like, yeah, do the GoGo logo actions. Afterwards, you could just double click it, and it will just take you straight to the menu. And the other way is just to pretty much type it up in the bar here. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go over towards where it says emotes. And you want to make sure you go towards where it says 17 through 24. That's if you're using the latest GoGo Loco, because 1 through 8 will be occupied by, well, all of this, the stand and wave, all of this, and then you double click that. You come here, look that, be like, okay, everything starts at 17. And from here, you're going to see, okay, this one has the T-pose. This one's another T-pose spinning. And then right here at 19, that's where you want to start. And as you can see, I have the toothless dance here. However, with that dance, you can actually go and download these emotes from different websites. I will make sure to leave a link down below for you to go to download such things. But yeah, I'm going to double click this. Okay, there you go. It took a moment, but yeah. So here's all my dances loaded up. It's really as simple as grab the emote you've imported into Unity. It should look like this, have a little name on the file, and if you want to just drag it up, you literally just drag that up there, and boom, you're done. But now there's another important step. You want to see these emotes, right? Okay, let's go back. Let's go over towards our menu. And here we're going to make sure that well, yeah, that's already going to be set up. The VRC emotes right here. Yeah, that's already going to be set up. But yeah, you want to make sure that you go to your menu. You want to create another menu for your dances. You could have sub menu like how I do. I just have a sub menu since I have multiple dances. But after you create your little menu here, I'm going to create an extra one just cause, and we're going to name it like dances, for example, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into toggle, and then I'm going to click where it says parameter, push the go button. Oh, wait, no, not parameter. I mean, not the go button. You're going to go to VRC emote right here. I'm sorry. You're going to go to VRC emote, and right here, you're going to see this value. It's going to have a number on it. So in order to like know which number that you want to use the emote for, like if we name this like toothless, right? If we put toothless in this file and it says VRC emote and the value is 1, we're going to change that value to 19. So then it goes all the way up, but like we're going to change the value to 19. So it will be toothless 19 as the value, and then you're done. And then what you can do afterwards, I'm going to quickly delete this because I don't need it. I already have the dance set up. And if I go into my gesture manager here to test it out, go into scene, come over here, expressions, go to the dances, do the toothless dance. Yeah, we're going to ignore that. we're gonna ignore that. Yeah. This is a work in progress model, so sorry if it looks a little funny. We're going to ignore that though. Um, wow, that's embarrassing. Okay. Yeah, that's how you do it though. That is how you pretty much get the emotes set in. This is a work in progress model. This is not the complete model. But yeah, until further notice. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else to see. There's nothing else to teach you. All right. Until the next vid, everybody, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.